And what your mommy say? Your mommy say she happy with the service?
Yes.
She not complain, don't?
No.
So me I do a good job, don't it? Packetry lawn from back in the days where the big dance them keep. Big dance them keep. Guys, what's up? We're on the delivery trail. You walk with me? I hope you walk with me. I'm not even looking back. We're on the delivery trail, guys. We're going to deliver some packages down here and Brunswick. What I go on? Enough respect? Up, up, up. Oh, you are getting the package? How you doing? No, it's not she. It's who I get the package. Your where general package there? What I go on with? Your mommy. What is your name? What is your name?
Kelly.
Kelly's. How you doing, Kelly's?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Is this your mommy?
No.
Okay, but the package is for your mommy.
Yes.
Okay, so you know us?
No. Yeah.
You don't know us? You know us? Your mommy. Well, we don't work for Amazon, but when you ship your package from Amazon, we bring it to Jamaica for you. Yeah, you understand how it works, right? See, him know how it works.
See, I ordered something on Amazon, but I don't get it. I ordered it from 2020.
2020, you should have shipped it with us.
Okay.
Yeah, next time you ship it with us here, and we get it delivered to your doorstep, or come right here, so come deliver it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, your mommy always shop with us. Ship with us. Let me say shop. Lord have mercy. Your mommy always ship with us. Hold on there. Is your baby that?
Yes.
Is your baby? Is your baby? And what's your name, mommy?
Chin.
Chin, Miss Chin. Are you the Miss Chin we are look for now? Right? So yeah, pick up the package on behalf of your Sharika is what here?
Cousin.
Our cousin. She always has ship with us. How come I say Miss Chin name on the thing? What go on?
She don't really order enough stuff, so that's why I don't see her.
Oh, so when she want to order, is your mommy ordered for her?
Yeah,
Alright, no problem at all. Your mommy I do a good job. But look how she hold the baby too now. She didn't know what she are doing now. And what your mommy say? Your mommy say she happy with the service?
Yes.
She not complain, don't?
No.
So me I do a good job, don't it? And Jeremy I do a good job too, right?
Yes.
Tell me, you think the camera lady I do a good job?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, thank you. Say bye to the guys for me.
Yes.
Yes, I must carry it up right now, but you have to say goodbye for me. Tell him bye-bye for me.
Goodbye.
Bye. Alright, and look at the nice baby. Oh my God. Alright guys, there's a link here. Click on the link. Join us today. Have us ship your items and get it delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Right here on the Brunswick. Guys, bye. Thank you so much here.